Individual Pommes Anna. To make this French dish, you will need 1 to 1.5 pounds of small red or gold potatoes, salt, pepper, 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter, a clove of garlic, vegetable oil for brushing your cooking dishes, and 2 to 3 tablespoons freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The first step is to thinly slice your potatoes. You want them about 3 millimeters thick. And then season generously with salt and pepper. And then add the garlic and the melted butter. Using your hands, toss the potatoes to thoroughly but gently coat them with the butter and the salt, the pepper and the garlic. You don't want to break them, so be gentle, but make sure each potato is coated. And then brush a little vegetable oil in the bottom of your cooking dishes. I used miniature cast iron skillets, but small cake pans or even a muffin tin would work well. And then layer the potatoes slightly overlapping in the pans. You want to pack them tightly. Press down on the potatoes in each dish to make sure that they are firmly packed. And then sprinkle with a little freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Bake the potatoes at 375 degrees until the potatoes are tender, brown, and crisp. This could be 35 to 45 minutes. To test them, you could insert the tip of a knife, and if it goes in easily, they are done. They'll be brown and crispy on the top, creamy in the center, and brown and crispy on the bottom. If desired, invert the potatoes onto a serving plate and then sprinkle with more Parmesan and black pepper. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.